Hey guys, it's kaileyunfiltered, and today I'm going to be doing this look. It's sort of like, I kind of was inspired by like, you know, like when there's like a sunset but it's not like yellow and like white. I also kind of took inspiration from that poster behind me, Coco from Disney Pixar, but it's also sort of like when there's like a sunset but it's pink and yellow, orangey, purple. That's what I was going for. You can take it however you want. Yeah, enjoy the video, and let's get started on this look. So I'm gonna put on, I just bought this a couple days ago and it came in the mail, finally. And I have it all on my face. I should really rub it in. But, it's this. And the sun is right here, so, but yeah. Last time you guys saw me doing my brows with a pencil, and I'm going to do my brows today with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I don't know what to do. My eyebrows look so dry. Hello, hey guys. So it took me about like 30 minutes or so to do my eyebrows, and they're not the best. They look shitty, I know. You don't have to tell me. I'm gonna put some of this on. Picked out 2 palettes and I'm gonna see what I can do with them. I picked this one and I picked this one from the same company. They look like this. Hella beautiful. Don't really use them that much because they're very beautiful. I use them around the summertime, but because you know it's really bright. So I'm gonna start doing my eyes, because why not? Start my eyes. And I'm feeling very colorful, so I might use one of them for like, you know, obviously normal colors, and then the other one for more colors. Alright. See, I'm gonna go for like sort of a very bright color. I feel like my arms are too thick. The heck? And the thing about me is that I do both my eyes at the same time. I don't know if people do one and the other one by themselves, but I do both. And it's just a thing I do because I just do that. And what I'm taking to put on right now is Catista. It's right there. This one. So I wrote my rash nails. I have to get them done. I'm sorry. Going with some hot pink from this palette, this one. Try with my mirror. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh wait, wrong eye. What am I doing? I don't know. Let's go with some purple. Some funky dinky purple.
It's like a mist, then it's like a sunset, it's like a sunrise, it's like a universe.
So what I'm doing right now, I'm mixing the Catisna, the one I showed you right here. I'm mixing that one with this yellow one right here and putting it above the pink. I'm kind of going for like a sunset vibe. You know, like when the sunset's kind of pink purple. That's what I'm going for. Okay. So then just holy Jesus Christ. This isn't your everyday look. This is just a look I'm going with. It's gonna go crazy. These are from freaking Amazon. I just saw ones. And I was like, I'm gonna buy them, and I bought them. I'm gonna take some of this orange and put it right here. And I'm gonna blend it out really quickly because Lord knows. I'm probably gonna go downstairs. Actually, I'm probably gonna do some stuff like chores. Because mom's gonna come down. My mom's gonna. She'll be all angry and upset.
Like, oh my god, I do everything in the house, you don't help. And I'm like, yes.
And I'm gonna do it to the other eye, and then I'll get back to you in a sec. And there we go. We have both of them eyeballs done. Except we didn't put any glitter on them. What should we put on them? Do you see them? Do you see them? I feel like that one. Put it on my palm. I feel like putting it in the center. Alright, so I'll take pressure. Under pressure. Does it look better? They look like two different, you know what?
Two different sunsets, whatever.
Max is like, what happened to your face? Listen, Max, beauty. So we did, so what I used to mix, so you had I said I was gonna use that one, freaking focus, whatever, that one, I was gonna use that one, and then I was gonna use this one right here, and I mixed those two, and it went beautifully. Alright, I'm back. I did my eyelashes and everything, and I'm gonna be using this Freeze Ice Sticks, a plumper gloss thing. My friend gave it to me. And my stomach keeps growling because it's hungry, and I'm like, chill. And this is my look. Not entirely my look. Let's see how it looks with my hair down. This is my look. So subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. And hope you guys have a good day or a good night or whatever. That's a perfect bye. Bye, nugs.